Okay, Nitro RC World here. We're going to be talking about hydrolock today. Now here's a crude drawing of the Traxxas 3.3 engine. This is a normal operation. Piston's going up and down, everything's fine. Piston travel stops here. TDC, top dead center. And when you've got hydrolock, piston is traveling down, up, but it soon gets too much fuel trapped up in here. It's a raw fuel trapped up in here. It's TDC right here. Here's the top of the piston. But you've got this raw fuel trapped in there. Fuel that can't compress is in the cylinder. So when the piston tries to come up, it can't go up any further because of this raw fuel is in here. That's hydrolock. It can't come up to TDC, top dead center, and travel back down like it's normal operation, because this fuel is preventing the piston from going up. So when you try to pull on this, try to pull on your pull starter, it just stops. That's what's happening. You've got raw fuel trapped in here. The carburetor settings are too rich. Your needles are too rich. There's too much fuel going in here, and it's getting trapped in here. It's getting trapped in the top of the sleeve. Now, you may be wondering, why is this fuel getting trapped in here, this raw fuel? Well, even though you have all these holes in your sleeve, you got the exhaust is always open, all these holes in the sleeve, they're always open. Just accept it. It does. It gets pushed up in the top here, and this raw fuel gets trapped. Here's the top of the piston. It can't push up to TDC and travel back down. So you've got this raw fuel trapped in there. That's hydrolock. So that's what's happening there.